Wang, this is my physics culminating. So it starts here with this car. The car is on a textbook, as you can see, and then it has some gravitational potential energy, and then once I apply some force to it, it's gonna go down this incline. Once it goes down this incline, it's going to push this. It's gonna like the gravitational potential energy is gonna convert into kinetic energy, and then it's gonna hit this water bottle, which is gonna transfer the energy to there. And then once it hits the water bottle is gonna fall down. It has some gravitational potential energy, and then it's gonna fall down, and then the gravitational potential energy is gonna go converted to kinetic energy, and then using this seesaw launcher, I'm gonna transfer the energy from the water bottle to the ball, and then the ball is gonna go flying, right? It's gonna go flying like this. It's gonna land on the table. It's gonna keep rolling. It's gonna hit this cardboard, right? And then it's gonna do work on the piece of cardboard. Once it does that, it's gonna cause the piece of cardboard to fall down. It has some gravitational potential energy, as you can see. It's gonna cause it to fall down, hit the sequence of dominoes, and then trigger it. And then the pieces of dominoes are gonna do work on each other. So it's gonna keep doing work. It's gonna keep hitting one another until it reaches here. Once it reaches this domino is gonna knock this domino down. As you can see, this rail is on a textbook. And then the water bottle has some gravitational potential energy, and then once this thing falls, the rail is gonna go like this. It's gonna become like a decline, and the water bottle is gonna roll down. Okay, gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy, and then once it rolls down, it's gonna hit this It's gonna hit this textbook, and then once it hits this textbook, the textbook is connected using a rope to this pulley system on the ceiling. And then this pulley system is also connected to this sort of rail with the ball in it. So once this falls down, this is gonna go up, and then the ball is gonna gain gravitational potential energy, and it's gonna roll down the decline, right? So it keeps gonna keep rolling. It's gonna keep rolling. It's gonna hit this thing, which is gonna play a note, and then it's gonna roll back down. And then once it rolls down, it's gonna hit this ultrasonic sensor, which is going to trigger this circuit. Let me just show you. So it's gonna trigger the circuit, turn the LEDs on, and it's also gonna turn on this motor. So once the motor spins, it's connected using a string to this magnet thing, and the magnet thing is on a spacebar, right? And then once it's released, it's gonna play the sound, which is 360 hertz frequency. And then in the background, while everything's happening, I'm gonna have this like a separate device playing 362 hertz. So the wave interference is gonna happen. You're gonna hear 2 beats per 2 hertz frequency. And then after this is released, it's gonna keep traveling like this. It's gonna go up this incline. It's gonna fight friction and then like force of tension. And then once it reaches here, it's gonna hit this domino, do work on it, and then that domino is gonna hit the ball. And then the ball is going to fall here and then hit this magnet, right? And then once this magnet is hit, this magnet has gravitational potential energy because it's high. And then once it's hit, the ball is gonna do work on it. It's gonna cause it to move. It's gonna cause it to swing in this big pendulum. So it's gonna swing from here all the way here, right? So once it swings really fast, it's gonna hit this second magnet, right? So it's gonna latch on it. So like latch on it like this, right? So once it connects to it or latches on it, this magnet is connected using a rope to this mechanism with a stick. So once this thing using the rope goes down, it's gonna push this piece of tape off the table. Once it pushes it off the table, it's gonna do work on it. It pushes it off the table, and since this has gravitational potential energy, it's gonna go down, transfer that into kinetic energy, and then using this rope, which is connected to a pulley system with 2 pulleys, which is connected to this thing. This is gonna go down, right? And then this cup is gonna go up, which is gonna release this popsicle stick, which is connected to this magnet. And then this whole thing, since this goes up, is gonna fall down. Once this falls down, it's gonna go through this funnel, through this solenoid. It's gonna generate electricity, and you can see on the generate current, and then you can see on the voltmeter. Hold on. Okay, so it's gonna generate current, and then it's also gonna hit this launch pad, which is gonna start this water boiler. and this kettle, which is gonna make some tea. And then let me just show you how the electricity is gonna be generated. As you can see, I'm moving it back and forth, inside out, and then on the multimeter you can see I'm on the voltage setting. Sorry, hold on 1 second. Okay, so once this falls down through it, as you can see, there's some voltage being produced, and this is just a proof of it. And then it's gonna fall down, it's gonna hit this tea kettle, which is gonna start this, right? Okay, so this is my culminating attempt number 20. اشتغل. ايوه بس ثانية بدي استنى حتى يغلي.